Hello, our company is H&M. Our theme, Emilia, Ángel, and me, Héctor. So, our history. Hans and Marty's business started in 1947 when Erling Persson, the German, opened a Hennes mercantile establishment in Västerås, Sweden, selling women's clothing. In 1968, Persson bought a reduction store called Maritz Whitford to sell hunting equipment and garments.
More history of us. His was when men's and children's wear sales start, and his is often also when the name of the department shop was shortened to Herms and Martinson for the primary time of HAM for brief. This can here we can saw the change of our brand. Our mission, invest in people, communities, and innovate ideas to drive long-lasting positive change and improve living conditions.
Then our vision, the company practices of H&M are expected to figure in a manner that's socially, culturally, and environmentally friendly. By sustainability, they assert that it's important to handle both current and future generations' wants.
After many years of experience, we have developed our own values, and we search for these values in our team. So we are searching for people that have the ability to work in team, to believe in the team and in the people of the team, have this entrepreneurial spirit, have constant improvement, and we are always self-conscious about our cost. We are always looking for utilities. So this is very important for us. We always are seeking for a straightforward and open-minded mentality, and we always like to keep it simple. So after hearing a little bit of us, we want to invite you to be part of our team. We'll be very pleased to work together with you. So are you ready?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.